Hello, this is Vijay Devane from Team Galaxy. We will be presenting the video prototype submission for IEEE WISES 12 Maker Faire 2020. The title for problem statement is Autonomous Bloom's Taxonomy Classifier. We will be covering things for presentation in the following order. In many universities in India as well as all over the world, universities education system demands to design question paper using Bloom's taxonomy concept. This will help to increase the quality of the question paper, but the process of designing the question paper manually using Bloom's taxonomy concept is going to be lengthy and there are more chances to get errors in that paper. So it is very important to automate this procedure to reduce time and errors. In this problem statement, we had to get accurate prediction of a Bloom's taxonomy level of a question so they can set question paper easily and fast. We are providing a ML-based solution in which we would give automatic prediction of a Bloom's taxonomy level of a questions with comparing 6 different algorithm performance. Also, the web app gives the percentage of accuracy of various algorithms and give result from best one of them. All the things which are used in a technology stacks are as below. Streamlit is used as a backend and Android Studio used for mobile application. We will look at the models in just a minute, and for deployment we had used Heroku. The flow of our implementation is as follows. You have to just give a question to the web application or mobile application. Then web application or mobile application gives this question to the machine learning model, where a machine learning model predicts the question categories, and according to the various algorithms it will gives the most accurate algorithm and gives the final result to the web application or mobile application. Then web application or mobile application gives us a predicted result. We had completed this project in a course of 7 or 8 weeks and the details are shown as below. Majority of time was spent to perform exploratory data analysis and feature engineering. Finding this type of data was a big challenge. So we created a dataset nearly 1224 questions by gathering various types of questions and labeled manually according to the Bloom's taxonomy level. We started our work with the most popular models which are related to NLP and text classification techniques. First is SVM. It is basic supervised learning model which associated learning algorithms. Next is logistic regression model, which is also a basic classifier. Next is KNN model, which is K nearest neighbor model. It is also a supervised machine learning algorithms are used to solve classification and regression problems. But the accuracy level of these models is not that much good, so we used ensemble algorithms such as gradient boosting classifier, random forest classifier, etc. Since the number of features and the size of a dataset is very less, so I couldn't train a neural network, so I used a multinomial naive Bayes algorithm. But accuracy is still not that much good, so we created algorithm like voting regressor, in which it takes the individual predictions and gives output of more accurate prediction. The use of this algorithm is extensively boosted accuracy and gives satisfying results. Web application is the phase of any product. Our web app is designed keeping in mind to make the user interface look simple and appealing, yet lightweight as well as user experience included. Our web application is built using the Python library and Streamlit framework. Streamlit is a Python open source library in which we do not need to write extra code of HTML and CSS. It can easily create a website using very simple commands. We created our mobile app using Android Studio with Java. Now let's demonstrate our project. So first you have to open your web browser and type this URL in your web browser. You will get this web page. After that, you can see in the left hand side there are two sections, that is prediction and that is about. In a prediction section you have to type a question to check the Bloom's taxonomy level of that question. So first type here, what is your name? This question belongs to first level of Bloom's taxonomy, which is knowledge. So let's check is our algorithm or our model is working correctly or not. So you can see that it gives accurate result, that is knowledge. BT1 knowledge means the level Bloom's taxonomy level 1, and that is knowledge with maximum probability is 100, which gives the gradient boosting classifier, which is the best algorithms of classification, which gives the 100% probability. We can use Bloom's taxonomy predictor app in our mobile also. Just you have to download this app and install in your mobile. After that, just click on it. You will get like this screen. You can see in the left corner there are two sections, that is prediction and about. After that, you can type a question in a type here prompt. We are typing first question, that is what is your name, which belongs to Bloom's taxonomy level 1. So we will check is our project or a mobile application is working correctly or not. Just click on classify. Yes, it's working correctly. It shows Bloom's taxonomy level 1, which is knowledge, with maximum probability 100%. Means our mobile application is also working nicely. Thank you for watching this video.